In this guide, I'm going to show you how to change Gmail password. Intro. First things first, go ahead and open up a web browser on your iPhone, Android, or computer. And what you need to do is go to Google. And once you're at Google, go ahead and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. And then go ahead and select your account up in the top right. Hit manage your Google account. And this will take you to myaccount.google.com, where you need to scroll down and find security and sign in. Right below that, you're going to see password. Go ahead and select it. It's going to ask you to sign in again. And once you sign in again, go ahead and change your password. Then it'll ask you to verify, possibly with Face ID or passcode or your current password as well. Make sure, of course, that's all good, and make sure you set your new password to at least 8 characters to avoid using something obvious or password that you already have on another website. The process is as simple as that. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.